that again.
Stop. Hold up. Hold up.
Show your little body, 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 body. Show them a little body thing, body, body, body. And Shorty got the body.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys this will be another lash video, but this lash video will be sponsored by Beauty 7. I think it's 7. So this is how the package came. But yeah, they are the ones sponsoring this video. So they sent me, the package is cute. Like, I live for pink packages. Like, I live for pink packaging. So basically, I'm just gonna show you guys everything that they sent to me in this box. I'm gonna take everything out. So this is a lash supplier. What did I say, supplier? But this is a lash supplier vendor, I should say. And these are the lashes that they sent to me. So these are 10Ds. So I don't think it has any. Oh, C curl, 0.07 thickness. This is what it is. And yeah, this is all the lashes came. They also sent me this tweezer. Yeah, so they sent me this tweezer. They sent me some spoolie, which is what you use to pretty much, you know, comb your lashes out after it's done. They sent me these lash cleaners. So basically, you use these to clean your lashes, and also you can use it to remove lashes. So pretty much put the remover gel or remover cream that you have on this, and then you pretty much just put it on your lashes, and then it will come off. This is what you use. You can use it to clean your lashes and also to remove them. And they sent me, so they sent me a cream remover and also the glue. I'm not sure if this glue is like professional glue, because if it is, I probably won't be using it because I don't want to use this on myself if it's going to burn me. And this is what it's looking like. So this is their cream remover. And I'm going to double check this glue. So it is the professional glue. So I don't think I'll be using it on my eyes, but if I'm doing another lash video, hopefully I get to do somebody's lashes on camera. For some reason I never get to record it, or I never remember to. I always say I'm going to record it but never do it. But yes, I won't be using that glue because it is the professional glue, and I don't want to put that on my eyes because you can't put it on your eyes. It's gonna burn. But yeah, they pretty much send you everything in the kit. If you're a lash tech, then you're good to go because you literally get everything in the kit. And I'm guessing you get more of these. These are probably just for like promotion purposes, why they only send me like this little amount. But okay, so because I'm not using the glue that they sent to me, because that is for professional doings, I am going to be using this glue. That's the glue that I will be using. Anybody wants to come for me in the comment section, do that. But yeah, I'll be using that glue today. I can't find my other glues anyways, so even if I wanted to use a next glue, I can't. So this is what it is. I'm going to be using this glue. I'm not going to be putting a lot on each lashes, but people have used this before, so it's not like, oh my gosh, why are you using it? You're able to use it so it's not like out of the ordinary. People use it before, but I won't put like too much on it or whatever. I'll just do a little bit. So I didn't realize that it is mixed, so the shorter lengths are at the top, and it goes, as it goes down it gets longer. So short, long, short, no, short, then a little bit longer, then a little bit longer. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes right now. And maybe it is a good thing that I can't find my my lash tight glue, because people have asked me before like if you're able to use this glue, and I didn't really get around to doing it, so I can show you guys that you're able to use it. So I pretty much just dip it in. I don't put a lot on it, but this is the amount that I put on it. And I'm using the tweezer that they sent me, and I'm like how I do all my lash videos, I will be putting it under the bottom part. So this really won't be doing a lot for my eyes, just because this is the longest lash. You can't even see it, but this is the longest lash, and it's almost the same length as my lashes, so you probably won't see a difference in length, but you definitely will see the difference in thickness. So this will be more about thicken in my eyelashes rather than giving it length. Never mind. So it's 8, 10, and 12 mm. So my natural lashes are 12 mm. I just want to point out that this glue will not keep the lashes on like for the full 2 weeks, 3 weeks that people would like, because it is a weaker hold. And I'm planning on doing a next lash video, and I don't want to have to wait too long for these to fall out, so it's a good thing I didn't even use the next one. That is the entire 12 mm on my eyes right now. So now I'm gonna do the 10 mm. So I don't think I am going to be putting on the 8, because the 8 will be extremely short for my eyes. And like I said, this video or this lash look will be for thickness and not length. Finished product. This is how my eyes are looking. That came in this kit is 12mm, so they sent 8mm, 10mm, and 12mm. And 12mm is literally my lashes, so I didn't even use the 8. I used the entire row of the 10mm and the entire row of the 12mm, and this is how my eyes are looking. Yeah, so it pretty much just made my eyes look like I have eyeliner on, and that's pretty much it. But this is my first time doing my lashes this short. Like, guys, I'm used to 25mm, so imagine me always doing 25mm wearing 12mm right now. Like, is it these subtle vibes happening? Like, me with my short nails and my short lashes, like, am I growing up? Like, no. No, not me growing up. But this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I want to thank Beauty 7 for sending me these lashes once more. It gave me the opportunity to try something new, because I always tend to go for longer lashes and not short lashes. If I'm doing short lashes, if I'm going to be doing lashes like these, I'll probably just put mascara on and not really wear any lashes, because it's like my natural lashes. But yeah, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.
Show your little body, 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 show my little body thing.